is Sandhya. I'm back with another chapter. Today we will continue with Geography of Class 10, Contemporary World 2, and the chapter which we will discuss is Minerals and Energy Resources. Dear children, Geography is an important part of a Class 10th social science subject as the subject is completely theoretical. It's easier for you to make your notes while watching this video lecture. Dear children, it helps not only in understanding the topic but also makes you organized. So you can easily understand and remember them. Let us move on to the topic. Dear children, you have earlier studied that the Earth's crust is made up of different minerals and embedded in the rocks, isn't it? Various metals are extracted from these minerals after refinement. So, in all stages of development, human beings use minerals for their livelihoods and decorations, festivals, and religious and ceremonial rites. So, in this chapter, we will learn about minerals and their classifications and how to conserve minerals and different types of energy resources and how we can conserve these energy resources. So, go through this video lecture to get an insight into this chapter. Minerals and energy resources. Part 1. Dear children, minerals is a substance that occurs naturally and has definite chemical composition. They are not distributed in an even manner, isn't it? They can found and concentrated in a particular area or in a rock formation. And few kinds of minerals can be found in areas which one cannot access easily at places such as Antarctica and the ocean bed of the Arctic. Dear children, minerals can be found under varying conditions in geographical environments of different types. So, they are created with the help of natural processes and no human interference is required for this. So, one can identify minerals with the help of physical properties such as density, hardness, color, and chemical properties like solubility. Let us move on to the topic. Types of minerals. Minerals are classified into metallic, ferrous, and non-ferrous. Again, non-metallic. Dear children, more than 3000 different types of minerals can be found on this planet. Metals can be classified as metallic and non-metallic on the basis of their composition. Those minerals which consist of metals in its raw form are called metallic minerals. Observe the flow chart. These are called metallic minerals. They are hard substances that are capable of conducting electricity and heat. So, they are lustrous or shiny in nature. For example, of metals are manganese or iron ore or bauxite or few examples of metals. Dear children, metallic minerals can be further classified as non-ferrous or ferrous. Then, non-ferrous metals do not have iron as their main composition, but other metals such as silver, lead, copper or gold. Dear children, ferrous metal have iron as one of their main components. Dear children, these minerals which are non-metallic and do not have metals as their main components. Those minerals which are non-metallic do not have metals as their main components. So, the examples of such minerals are gypsum, limestone and mica. Minerals, fuels such as petroleum and coal are other example. The process of extracting minerals. It is classified into three categories: mining, drilling and quarrying. Mining also again two categories: open cast mining and shift mining. Observe the flow chart. Dear children, the process of extracting minerals is of drilling, mining and quarrying. So, mining is the process which minerals are taken out from those rocks which are buried under the surface of earth. Dear children, those minerals which are present in the shallow depths are taken out once the layer of surface is removed. This process is known as like open cast mining. Then, dear children, deep bores, which are known as shafts, are made out in order to reach the deposit of minerals that lies at great depths. This process is known as shaft mining. For example, oil and plowed from on sea. Minerals such as natural gas and petroleum are present for some other surfaces of the earth. The children, in order to take them out, deep wells are bored. This process is called drilling. Those minerals which can be found easily near the surfaces of earth can be simply dug out by the process called as quarrying. Let us discuss about distribution of minerals. Observe the map clearly. Dear children, if it is not visible, go through your textbooks. Dear children, minerals can be found in different varieties of rocks. They are found in different types of rocks, such as sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks and indigenous rocks. Dear children, metamorphic and indigenous rocks formation consist of metallic minerals that form large plateaus. So, nickel and copper deposits are found in Canada, and iron ore found in North Sweden, and iron, petroleum and nickel are found in South Africa. And these minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Dear children, young fold mountains and plains formed by sedimentary rocks consist of non-metallic minerals such as limestone. So, manganese deposits in generic, limestone deposit in France, Ux regions, and alluvial and phosphate beds are few of the examples of non-metallic deposits. So, petroleum and coal can also be found in sedimentary regions. Distribution of minerals: Asia and Europe, North America and South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Let us go through this clearly. Asia. The children, distribution of minerals in Asia. Here, India and China have large iron ore deposits. More than half of tin products occurs the world comes from this continent. Indonesia, China and Malaysia are some of the leading tin products. Then tungsten and lead and antimony are produced in abundant amounts in China. And deposits of bauxite, manganese and copper, nickel and zinc can also be found in us. Let us discuss about Europe. Europe is the topmost producer of iron ore in the world. The countries that consist of iron ore deposits in large amounts are Ukraine and France, Russia and Sweden. And mineral deposits of zinc, copper and manganese and lead can be found in European Russia and Eastern Europe. Then North America. Dear children, the mineral deposits of North America can be found in three zones. First one, Western Mountain region, the Appalachian region and Great Lake of North Canada. And Canada Shield region consists of iron ore, gold, uranium, nickel, and copper. So the Appalachian region has coal, vast deposits of gold, lead, silver, and copper are present in Western Caldera region. Let us discuss about South America. South America, the largest producer of iron ore of high grade in the world is Brazil. Children, Peru and Chile lead in copper production. And tin can be found in a high amount in Bolivia and Brazil. Large deposits of silver and gold, manganese, bauxite, and mica and diamond can be found easily in South America and Colombia, Argentina, Chile, and Venezuela producers of and mineral ore. Let us discuss about Africa. The African continent has a large preference of mineral resources in abundant amounts. Petroleum, diamond, and gold are found in high amounts in the children. These few other minerals that are located in this continent are chromium, cobalt, iron ore. Oil can be found in countries such as Angola and Libya and Nigeria. Next, Australia. Dear children, the country Australia is the largest producer of bauxite. And other minerals found in huge quantities are iron ore, nickel, gold, tin, and diamonds. Dear children, zinc and copper, lead, and manganese are some of the other minerals to be found. And not only this, Western Australia regions such as Colgrades and Colargly hold some of the leading deposits of gold. Let us discuss about Antarctica. Dear children, scientists are aware of the geology of this continent. They have predicted that continent has few of the minerals present in large amounts. And Prince Charles Mountain present in East Antarctica are estimated to have iron deposits. So, similarly, it has been that Transantarctic mountains may have deposits of coal in huge amounts. So, other important minerals such as oil, gold, silver, and iron ore also found in abundant quantities. Dear children, now let us discuss about the uses of minerals. Manufacturing buildings and kitchen equipment and airplanes and automobiles. Dear children, different industries need to use minerals in order to sustain. Those minerals that are used in manufacturing of gems are hard in nature. After that, different designs are prepared in order to set them in style. Copper is metal which is used to manufacturing pipes and utensils, coins, and silicon is obtained from quartz which is used in the computer sector. Now whatever you are using it. Not only this, aluminium can be obtained from the ore of bauxite. It is used in manufacturing buildings and kitchen equipment especially. Not only this, aeroplanes and automobiles, so we are using this mineral. Then up to now we discussed about where wheat is distributed and what is the uses. Then now let us discuss about that conservation of minerals. Energy is a basic requirement for economic development. The economic development plans implemented since independence necessarily require increasing amount of energy to remain operational. Dear children, minerals are one of the non-renewable resources provided by nature, as we discussed earlier. The process of concentration and formation of these minerals can take over thousands of years, isn't it? The rate at which these minerals are formed is far more slower than people use it for their benefits. Hence, it is important that the authorities and should introduce necessary steps to reduce wastage in the process of mining. Another way to conserve these metals is recycling. Dear children, I hope now we understand about the distribution of minerals in India and world and their uses and the need to conserve minerals, isn't it? Last but not least, your children wake up early and do simple breathing exercises. Thereafter, make the most of morning hours to study as a fresh mind has the highest absorption power. And go to bed early at night. Staying up late is not wise as a tired mind takes longer to grasp or retain information. Learning will continue. Stay tuned for more video lectures on social science. Have a nice day. Thank you.